Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Joby here. Today's video is going to be a cook with me. We are going to cook paella guys with pork ribs. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients. We need rice, we need pork ribs, of course. We need also red bell peppers, but we are going to use the half, yes guys, and also green peppers and onion guys, yes, and also tomatoes. So guys, we are going to fry it. As you can see that I am frying right now the pork ribs. So while frying the pork ribs, let's prepare all the ingredients guys. Okay, let's cut and peel and everything. So I already cut guys the onion, and now I am chopping the garlic, and then after that I am taking out the seeds of the green chili, yes guys, and then the red bell peppers, yes guys. And don't forget to stir the pork ribs. So our ingredients are ready guys. When the pork ribs are quite brown, you can add the garlic now guys, yes. Just stir, and then after a few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes guys, just throw in the onion, and then after that guys, followed by the rest of the ingredients. So the green chopping board guys is the one that I bought from Amazon, and it's flexible and I love it. The quality is very good guys, and it is very easy to wash or clean. And yes guys, don't forget to throw in the tomatoes. So I put 2 tomatoes only guys, 2 pieces of tomatoes. Actually guys, paella ang niluluto ko guys pag may bisita kami, lalong lalo na pag medyo marami kami guys. Yes, gustong gusto ng lahat, at saka isang lutuan lang guys. So my vegetables, meat and rice, so isang plate lang talaga guys. So ito guys yung bigasan namin. I am going to pour in my 2 kilos guys na rice. Each pack guys is 1 kilo. So 2 kilo lang yung bigas ko. And now I am pouring it into the container. Yes, so that container guys is glass. Yes, so yan guys ang bigasan ko. So while cooking guys, we are also having an appetizer. As you can see that my husband is munching some chips. Para mas madaling lutuin guys, dapat yung tubig ay mainit. So nagpainit na ako ng tubig. As you can see that the small pot is boiling, and now it's time to add in the rice guys. So each person guys ay 2 handful of rice guys. So we are 7 people eating these paella. So ang inilagay ko guys is 14 handfuls of rice. then after that guys, you have to throw in the hot water. So the water guys is just enough to cover the meat and the rice. As you can see, I am now stirring and everything is covered with water. So the rice guys takes 18 minutes to cook. So let's set the timer for 18 minutes. So after 5 to 7 minutes guys, we have to throw in the green peas. I forgot to tell you before that we also need green peas guys. So let's stir it guys, and we have not to forget guys to stir every now and then, and that way it won't stick the rice at the bottom. Don't forget the salt to taste guys. If ever guys you are going to try to cook this one, please tag me. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you again on the next one with a brand new video. Bye! Luto na siya guys. Now it's time to eat. Kain tayo. Hello guys, so we finished everything. Simot siya guys, as in. So happy because everyone loves it guys.